Top 5 Best Action Cameras of 2023. In 2023, the world of action cameras is evolving at a rapid pace, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of technology and design to provide enthusiasts and content creators with even more powerful tools to capture their adventures. The best action camera of 2023 is not just a device to record thrilling moments. It's a compact, high-performance marvel that excels in delivering stunning visuals, advanced stabilization, and smart features to cater to the demands of today's adventure seekers. With improved image sensors, enhanced video recording capabilities, and rugged build quality, the top action camera of 2023 promises to be a game-changer for those who want to document their journeys in unparalleled detail and clarity. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the latest addition to the renowned GoPro series of action cameras. This innovative device boasts a range of impressive features that make it a top choice for adventure enthusiasts and content creators alike. With its 4K video recording capabilities at up to 120 frames per second, advanced image stabilization, and improved low-light performance, the Hero 11 Black ensures you capture stunning high-quality footage in various conditions. It also comes equipped with a touchscreen display for easy navigation and framing, voice control for hands-free operation, and a rugged, waterproof design that can withstand extreme environments. Whether you're recording your thrilling outdoor escapades or creating professional quality content, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is a versatile and powerful tool that elevates your action camera experience to new heights. Number 2. Insta360X3. The Insta360X3 is a cutting-edge 360-degree camera that redefines the way we capture immersive and dynamic content. With its sleek and compact design, this camera is highly portable and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced content creators. Equipped with dual-lens technology, the X3 can shoot in stunning 5.7K resolution, delivering crisp and vibrant videos and photos. One of its standout features is its flow state stabilization, which ensures that your shots remain smooth and steady, even in the most action-packed scenarios. The Insta360X3 also offers a range of creative shooting modes, including HDR video and photo, slow motion, and automatic editing features that make it easy to produce captivating content. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, documenting your adventures, or creating engaging virtual reality experiences, the Insta360X3 empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture moments from every angle. Number 3. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 is a highly anticipated addition to the world of action cameras, brought to us by the renowned drone and camera technology company DJI. This compact and versatile camera offers a range of features designed to cater to action sports enthusiasts and content creators alike. With its modular design, the Action 2 allows users to customize their setup with various modules, including a front screen, wide-angle lens, and microphone, providing flexibility to meet different shooting needs. It can capture stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second, ensuring exceptional image quality even in fast-paced scenarios. The camera is also equipped with advanced stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and steady footage. With features like active track, voice control, and a robust mobile app, the DJI Action 2 makes it easier than ever to capture, edit, and share your adventures with the world. Its sleek design, high-quality performance, and innovative modular approach make it a promising choice for those seeking a top-tier action camera experience. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3. DJI Osmo Action 3 impresses with a familiar camera setup akin to its predecessor, the Action 2. Boasting a 12MP 1.7 sensor concealed behind a 155 degrees ultra-wide lens at f/2.8 aperture, this device allows for high-quality content creation. Video recording is a seamless experience with a capacity of up to 130 MEPs on a micro SD card. A notable enhancement is the Rocksteady 3.0 electronic image stabilization, significantly improving steadiness even at 4K/120 Hz. Additionally, Horizon Steady feature ensures a leveled horizon, a handy tool particularly limited to 2.7K/60 Hz. The introduction of Horizon Balancing Mode offers a middle ground, rectifying tilts up to 45 degrees at up to 4K/60 Hz. Acknowledging the trend of vertical video, a new protective frame allows effortless switching between horizontal and vertical video, accommodating modern preferences. Battery efficiency is enhanced with rapid charging, reaching 80% charge in a mere 18 minutes, followed by an additional 32 minutes for the remaining 20%. Designed for adventurers, the camera is waterproof, capable of diving up to 16 meters, 52 feet, sans a case. DJI offers a special case for deeper water ventures. The camera's color temperature sensor proves crucial in delivering accurate color rendition, especially underwater and during surface transitions. Robust and durable, the two touchscreens and the camera lens are protected by Gorilla Glass, capable of withstanding drops from 1.5 meters, 5 feet. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini packs the same powerful upgrades as its full-size counterpart into a more compact and portable design. With an enhanced image sensor, it effortlessly captures 24.7 MP photos while delivering impressive 5.3K 60 and 2.7K 240 video recording capabilities. Thanks to Hypersmooth 5.0 digital stabilization, your footage remains exceptionally smooth, and the Horizon Lock technology ensures your videos are always properly aligned. This mini marvel boasts 2 sets of folding mounting fingers, providing unmatched mount compatibility, whether it's attached to helmets or hand grips. Operating the camera is a breeze with the simple press of the shutter button. Its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities streamline your workflow by automatically uploading footage and sending highlight videos to your connected devices for efficient content creation. Designed to be adventure-ready, the camera is waterproof up to 33 feet without needing an additional housing, making it perfect for underwater escapades. It comes equipped with an integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery, ensuring you're always ready to capture the action. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.